I am now in Turf Club Road at the old Eng Turf Club in Singapore, and that's Turf Club Road, and I'm here to look for a very old mosque called Masjid Al Awabin, and it's actually around here. So this is Turf Club Road, and that is the road that leads to the mosque. Masjid Al Awabin was built in 1956 to cater to the growing numbers of workers and Muslim residents living at that area. There was also a madrasah for the children as well. In 1985, the mosque was renovated and could hold up to 300 worshippers at once. The mosque was demolished in the 1990s. So that's the turf, Singapore Turf Club. This plank will probably be the path to the mosque. So that's Turf Club Road, and there's this road connecting to the Fairway Green, and I assume the mosque was once there in front, because from here we could see an old stump that probably belongs to the old signboard of the mosque, Masjid Al Awabin. So this is the fence of the mosque, and steps could be down here. Oh, there's a soccer ball there. Let's skip the steps. And that's the wooden signpost, I believe. There's another wood here. So from where I stood up there, photographing the mosque, okay, this could probably be the steps that goes up to the mosque. And that's the signpost, and the direction of Mecca or Qiblat is there.